Hello physios, moving on to next topic in abdomen volume 2, pancreas. The pancreas, it is on both exocrine and endocrine vertebra. It will be present at L2 L3 vertebra. Has the location, it is transverse, maybe obliquely, the posterior abdominal wall in the epigastric region and left hypochondrium. As we discussed, there are 9 quadrate regions in abdomen. Its shape is J shape and it has head, neck, body and tail. Remember, the pancreas has 4. As you can see in this slide, your head, neck, body and tail is your pancreas. Next, it has external features from the head. There are 3 borders, 2 surfaces and 1 process. 3 borders are your superior, inferior, right lateral border, anterior surface, posterior surface. When coming into its relations, superior border, it has your first part of duodenum and the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. Inferior border, second part of duodenum, inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. Right lateral border, second part of duodenum, anterior and posterior pancreatico-duodenal artery. Coming into its surfaces, anterior and posterior surfaces. As these surfaces are surrounded by gastroduodenal artery, your transverse mesocolon, transverse colon, jejunum, and posterior surface, inferior vena cava, bile duct, left crus of diaphragm, left renal vein. So, in this picture below, you can see some of the relations in anteriorly and posteriorly. In anterior, you can see the gallbladder. As I said, this first part of duodenum and gastroduodenal artery, your stomach, transverse mesocolon, transverse colon and pylorus. In posterior relations, there is aorta, inferior vena cava and the surrounding structures like bile duct, hilum, left ureter, left kidney and left renal vessels, inferior mesenteric vein, superior mesenteric vessels, suprarenal gland and the surrounding structures around the pancreas. Next, enter into the neck features. There are 2 borders, 2 surfaces and the relations are your upper border from the first part of duodenum and the lower border, it is root of transverse mesocolon, and the 2 surfaces which I did not include in this slide, your anterior surface is your pylorus and posterior surface, it is the commencement, that is commuting to the portal vein. And next is your body features like elongated part from neck to tail and it lies in the front of your vertebral column. And the external features 3 borders, 3 surface, 1 process and 3 borders are anterior, superior, inferior. 3 surfaces anterior, posterior and inferior. 1 process is tuber omental. Coming into its relations, anterior border, roof of transverse mesocolon, superior border, celiac artery, hepatic artery, splenic artery, inferior border, superior mesenteric vessels and anterior surfaces. There is lesser sac of the stomach, posterior surface, left kidney, that is all the left part, left kidney, left suprarenal gland and splenic vein. Inferior surface, duodenojejunal flexure, coils of jejunum, left colic flexure. And the tail of pancreas lies in the lienorenal ligament and the number of aisles of Langerhans. Next is your ducts of pancreas. As this is a main important pancreatic duct is commonly Wirtschung, as this beginning from the tail and it transfers the whole pancreatic gland, and at the neck it will turning downward and then enters into the second part of your duodenum and getting joining to the bile duct and getting piercing passing through its hepatopancreatic ampulla of Vater, and which opens into the duodenal papilla to the pylorus. Next, there is also an accessory pancreatic duct of Santorini. It begins in the head and runs upwards medially, crossing into the main pancreatic duct and opens into the second part of duodenum, that is accessory pancreatic duct. Next, the blood supply, splenic artery, a branch of celiac artery. As I discussed the branches of celiac artery in before videos, superior and inferior pancreaticoduodenal artery, venous drainage, portal vein, superior mesenteric vein, splenic vein. Your lymphatic drainage nodes, pancreaticosplenic nodes, celiac nodes, superior mesenteric nodes, pyloric nodes. Nerve supply, sympathetic celiac, parasympathetic superior mesenteric plexus. And the development, it comes from the two buds, your ventral and dorsal of pancreatic. Your ventral pancreatic, it arises in a common from with the hepatic for the liver, and dorsal pancreatic, it arises proximally from the duodenum. So these are the notes on pancreas. Finally, I'll end up with the applied aspects. Has there any carcinoma of the head of the pancreas? And also acute pancreatitis. Has there any infection, any inflammation to the pancreas? It getting swelling up. So acute pancreatitis. So this is the notes on the pancreas. Pancreas, its location, shape, relations in a all the four parts: head, neck, body, tail, surfaces and surfaces and borders. Next, blood supply, venous, lymphatic drainage, nerve supply, it is and development, and what next? Its applied aspects. This is your notes on your pancreas. Thanks for watching. SPN, any comment, you can be always stay tuned. Thanks for watching.